These are 15 millimeter. We're going to 65 Newton meters. All right, now for these cross members that go here, these 4 studs go through there, and then there's a bolt that goes in to the subframe over here. So this is how it looks if it is stock, but I have the Renline tie downs here. So this little piece is gonna slide in there, and the 2 front bolts are gonna hold it, and then it provides a nice little tie down for my trailer. So I'll just pull it down, slide this through, and that's how it's gonna line up. And these bolts in the back with the built-in washer probably won't fit on the lift. That one almost does, so I just always have to remember to install these and tighten them once I lower this. But I'm gonna go ahead and tighten the 4 nuts all the way down to 65 Newton meters. All right, final major step of assembly is this serpentine belt. This one came with the kit. I assume it's a different size than stock since I have a different size pulley on there now. Okay, with the 24 millimeter right there on the tensioner pulley, we have our belt in from here down to the water pump, up over these 2 guys, back down below the crank pulley, up to the AC and power steering over the top of them, and then back down under that idler pulley and back to the alternator. All right, guys, super exciting. It is just about all back together. I am going to lower it to the ground. I'm gonna put air in the tires. I am going to put those 2 bolts on that the jack was in the way of, torque them down. And then finally, my rear axle nuts, I have to torque them with the car on the ground to a crap ton of Newton meters. And then we'll do that last, and we'll be just about done. All right, kids, please give the video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next one where we put in some fluids. We are almost at startup time.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value in the information shared, please take a moment to give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback not only encourages us, but also helps others discover content that can make a difference. Remember, every like and comment counts in building a community where we can all learn and grow together. Looking forward to seeing you soon.